Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vaseline Gluta Hya Flawless Glow. Begin by ensuring your skin is clean and completely dry. This allows the product to absorb effectively. Take a small, pea-sized amount of the lotion into your palm. Gently massage it evenly over your body, paying special attention to areas that tend to be drier, like elbows and knees. This ensures comprehensive coverage and maximum benefit. For optimal results, incorporate Vaseline Gluta Hya Flawless Glow into your daily routine. Apply it twice a day, once in the morning and again before bedtime. Many find it beneficial to apply immediately after showering, as skin is more receptive to moisture then. Regular and consistent use is key to achieving that radiant, flawless glow you desire, making it a simple yet powerful step. This lotion is packed with powerful ingredients designed to enhance your skin's appearance. It features Gluta Glow technology, which works to brighten your complexion. Hyaluron is included to deeply hydrate and plump the skin, giving it a smoother feel. Additionally, niacinamide helps to visibly reduce the appearance of dark spots and promotes a more even skin tone, contributing to a truly flawless look. To further enhance your flawless glow, consider these additional tips. Gently exfoliate your skin 1 to 2 times per week to remove dead skin cells, allowing better product absorption. Remember to stay well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily. Finally, always protect your skin from sun exposure by using a broad-spectrum SPF, especially when outdoors, to maintain your radiant complexion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.